In this presentation, I'm going to share with you the top 5 keyword tools to help you find your niche. When it comes to finding a viable niche market for your online business, the secret to finding one that is profitable lies with finding the right keywords. Without the right keywords, you will end up selling yourself short. Here are the top 3 keyword research tools that you can use to help find a profitable niche. Wordstream Keyword Tool. Wordstream developed a free keyword research tool that allows users to target specific niches and provides you with more suggestions for a variety of different keywords. It will enable you to group the keywords you discover based on common themes, which makes it much easier to create ad group launches for your online business. Souvl. If you have multiple channels that you need to do keyword research on, Souvl is the tool you need. The tool allows users to explore the most searched for keywords on the different search engines based on the keyword route provided. Souvl is an excellent tool for brainstorming keywords and will let you type in your idea and in turn auto-generates its own ideas. Ubersuggest. Another free tool that you can use is Ubersuggest. The tool takes the keyword that you enter in the search bar and provides you with an extensive list of alphabetized as well as numerical keyword variations. The program will also provide you with data on the cost per click, volume, seasonality, and much more. Google Keyword Planner. If you want to utilize the power of Google's Keyword Planner, you have to sign up for an AdWords account. This keyword planner will show you different stats, like the average cost per click, monthly searches, and the level of competition for each keyword. Unfortunately, it won't give you exact keyword suggestions. It will provide you with recommendations for variations on your keywords. Spyfu. Spyfu is one of the best SEO optimization tools that you can use, especially if you're trying to analyze and stay ahead of the competition in a tight niche. It helps you understand your competition's SEO platform while discovering underserved or emerging markets. It also allows you to compare websites, see the history of keywords, and provides you with related keywords. Finding the right keywords for your niche is incredibly important if you want to be successful as an online business entrepreneur. These 5 tools can help you find the right keywords to help you determine your niche and find success.